Number 5, explain the following two things, or these two expressions are equivalent or not. We have r plus r plus r plus r. Well, those are 4 r's. And here we have 5 plus r. Okay, we would say these are not equivalent. All right, because here you have 4r, this is 5 plus r. Those aren't even close to being representing the same values. B, we have 3m plus 12 and 3 parentheses m plus 4. That's in the parentheses, so we should distribute. That is 3 times n. And then we have 3 times 4, which is a 12. That looks like they are representing the same value when they are simplified. So we could say these are equivalent expressions. They represent the same value. They might look different, but they represent the same value. Okay, and the next one, let's combine some like terms. I have a 6 and a 5, that makes an 11. I have a 3y and a 4y, that becomes a 7y. Add this together. I have a 9 plus 9y. Okay, this is 7y, this 9y. They have different variables. This has a constant of 11, this has a constant of 9. These are not the same expression. They don't even represent the same expression. So this is not equivalent. So there you go. That is how you tell if things are equivalent. You want to simplify and combine like terms and to see if they represent the same value.